In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about how you can use OneNote to track the things that you're learning, to track your daily agenda, to track different meetings, just what OneNote has to offer to keep you organized. So I'm showing you my notebook for conferences, and I like to think of OneNote as just a big binder. So I have created this conference notebook, so it'd be the same if I had a whole big binder for all of my notes from conferences. And so I create sections to represent each conference or professional development I attend. So I'm going to show you today NiceGate because that's probably my best example because there's so many different sessions. So here's my notebook for NiceGate, and then on the pages are each session I attended. Now, of course, you can organize this however you would like, however would make the most sense to you. This is what makes the most sense to me. But what's wonderful about OneNote is I can create pages within my section in my notebook for all of the different sessions, and then I can put in different types of medias. So you can see in this one, I was able to take notes next to images I pulled from the sessions from their presentation. So you can insert pictures, and if you're using this on a tablet or mobile device, this will allow you to actually capture an image using the camera feature. So many times if I'm in person at a conference, I will take photos of the PowerPoint slides or whatever that they're doing and just be able to take notes next to it, just like I did here, so that my notes can be meaningful and I'm not wasting time rewriting what they've already added to their slide. So you can see I'm making notations on the side. So you can add all sorts of things down here. You can add in your links, but it's just a really nice way to stay organized. You can share your OneNote with others so that other people can add their thoughts into a page if you're collaborating. And you can even input surveys or anything that you've created in forms. So as you can see here, this individual had shared their link to their presentation. So I put it right in my OneNote. And so now that's accessible to me anytime I want to go back. Now, there's often times when I attend a conference, especially ones like NiceGate, where you might go to many, many different sessions, where I know I did a training on coaching strategies, but I'm not sure what training it was, what year, or what notebook. So what's really wonderful about OneNote is that there is a search feature. And so I can search storytelling, and it's going to help me find the notes I took on narrative storytelling through podcasting. So not only am I digitizing my work and I can add to it and see it anywhere, but now I can also search through the many things I've learned throughout my career to find the notes that I took. So that is OneNote in a nutshell, and just a little bit on how you can get organized with the different things that you're learning, sharing, or collaborating on.